Good morning. Why is my Ooh. Good morning. Good morning. We just landed.
Card or you got a tour rental?
Tour rental.
Oh, okay. Somewhere on there it'll tell you where it's parked at. It'll have.
Yeah, it says EE 105.
Okay, that's all I need.
Perfect. We just touched down in H-Town. I've never been to Houston before. I only came to Houston before on a layover where I hung out with my brother for like an hour. But right now, my whole family is waiting for me to arrive. I feel like Beyonce. Can't wait. I'm about to pick up my rental car. I booked a nice one when I was rich, and so now I'm gonna just do that. But I'm super excited. Okay guys, I am 3 minutes out from my brother's house. I think he just wants me to like walk in and surprise everybody. So that'll be cute. I mean, they all know I'm coming, but I guess you know exactly what time or how far away I am. So yeah, we're 3 minutes away. I'm excited to see everybody. My mom's there. I haven't seen her since September when she came to visit me in Jersey. Yeah, so I'm super excited to spend this day with my family. I'm happy I traveled on Thanksgiving day. The airport was not that bad. I really pulled up it was a little slow through TSA, but I think it's because they had one bag scan thing open before clock hit and more people clocked in, so they opened up another bag scan thing, so it started moving quickly. But yeah, no, it wasn't horrible. My flight wasn't delayed at all. It started raining once I had got on the plane, honestly, because it wasn't raining it was drizzling when I went to the airport, but nothing crazy. So far, driving in Texas is cool. Nothing crazy. It's a lot of space on the road. It looks like South Jersey. I've been to my brother's house before, but for an hour. But now I'm actually here to be in Texas for 4 days. So I'm excited to see, everything that there is to see. I want to eat some of the staples. I never had Papados before. I never had Whataburger before. I never had freaking Zaxby's before, so I'm still trying to get the basics. I know there's fancier places, of course, but it's just like going to eat In-N-Out in California. You got to do what you got to do. So I'm excited with that. Hopefully they should have some coffee in that crib, just because I think my brother's a coffee drinker. I'm gonna need a little bit of coffee. Hopefully everything is cooked and they don't need no help, because that is not my strong suit. I'm coming for the vibes. I am the personality hire family member. So that's what I'm bringing to Thanksgiving, my personality. And I need to make this turn, and I don't know if this is it, and I don't think it is. And did I miss it? Did I pass it? Ciao. Hashtag don't know where you're going. Okay. They're doing a lot of construction on that main road. All right, perfect. I can go this way. They're doing a lot of construction on that main road, so there's no signs. All right. Oh, perfect. I'm literally right here, so I might as well just keep rolling. He said there's a white car in the driveway. Oh, white car in the driveway. Child, you need to pick up a leaf blower. But let me not start my shit yet. I just got here. Alright. I guess I'll get my bag. I'm not. Alright, let's walk in. Hi.
I can't believe it.
You can't believe it?
You're Uncle Wayne?
I'm Auntie Raven, yes. Hi. Why is it so dark? Hi.
Hey.
Say hi to YouTube. Yeah.
Let's go. Hi. You gotta come bring it back this way.
Why is it so dark? The lights?
Because it's dark. But
You playing with me?
How you doing?
Good.
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Where's mommy?
Oh, the shop.
Oh, of course. Can you get my suitcase out the car?
Yeah.
Thanks. It's in the back seat. The back seat. It's hot in here.
Oh, that's not me. No. That looks nice. That looks nice.
What?
My picture.
Oh.
I was trying to take it, unfortunately.
All right, let's taste this macaroni and cheese everybody's talking about.
Yeah, the teenies.
Actually, I'm gonna try it too. Right?
This is Teeny's recipe that TikTok was like mad because they didn't know how to do a roux.
Yeah, but I use my own cheese and butter.
It's good. The mashed potatoes good too.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not even huge on my
I
potatoes, but I heard
want
that.
the
Oh, yeah, they're really
come
good.
back from school.
Now I need the recipe.
I thought you said something. You said something about the mashed potatoes. Okay.
No, yeah,
I thought you said something about the mac and cheese.
Both of them are good, but but I'm not about to learn how to make the mac and cheese. I learned how to make the mashed potatoes before I learned how to make the mac and cheese.
You ready for a sip?
Huh?
You ready for a sip? You have to choose what you have. You're not.
That's what it is.
So what's up? We're playing Monopoly when I get back.
Yeah, that's good.
All day Monopoly? Let's have all day Monopoly.
Oh, day. Oh, it's not gonna last long at all.
That's a later. I knew that.
I swallow it. I chew it.
Morning, guys. My mic's not on, but you should still be able to hear me. We're in Houston, Texas, getting Starbucks. We're gonna link my friend Zanaya, who's actually gonna be moving down here. This is Layla. Hi, hold on. Put this here. Talk to the camera.
Okay.
I have that, and then I'll pay the difference in cash.
Wait, is this the roommate that
No,
Oh, okay. I
That's
thought this
Paola.
was. Oh, okay, okay.
she's not moving down here. Oh wow.
Give me 60 days. Okay, gotcha.
60 more
I
days.
can't give an accurate representation just yet. I gotta see.
Where do you live?
I live in Greenland.
Oh, I heard of that actually.
Hey guys, so we are at the first property that Zanaya's gonna look at.
My house is expensive.
And yeah, it's cute. You know, I'm a realtor,
It depends on
so
your budget.
I be living on this. Like,
So if you're looking
this is
for
what this is what I do for fun. Which is crazy. Look at houses, be like, oh, this is nice. This is not nice. But it's also, you know, manifesting and making sure and seeing different areas. Like, this is cute. Little walkable, little breakfast spot over there. Yeah, right?
Downtown area is pretty nice.
Yeah.
There's a lot of little restaurants or like stores
Things to do.
pop into.
You don't really need to have a car. And then there is parking if you do. So yeah, we're at the first one. It's cute. I got enough stuff to get stuff done. You can make it work. I like the high ceilings.
Yeah, I was gonna say that was like low ceiling, or we get like
Smaller.
And then we also have
Come on. Your pool.
yes, it is open, but
Oh, this is cute. It's like a covered lounge area.
and we're about to
Renovate.
renovate the furniture.
Okay. Oh. Store's heavy child. It was nice.
You can just turn on the lights here.
Okay.
So everything, as far as the fixtures
And finishes.
everything's the same as other ones would be.
Okay. So there's no carpet. Oh, there's carpet in the bedrooms.
Yes.
Okay. It's not bad. Yeah, it is big. The bathroom bigger than the bedroom.
But like, it's cute.
It's super cute.
It is.
Like with the crown molding up there and the light colors in the bathroom. It's cute.
It is. And then it does come with a washer and dryer.
Do all of the apartments have one?
Correct.
Okay.
See, that's a better deal than the other one.
It sure is. And this closet is big. The bedroom is a little smaller.
Tommy Hilfiger first is telling me. Cute.
I mean, the bedroom's a little small, but the closet's big. But I look like the finishes.
What size is this bed?
A queen.
A queen?
That's a full.
A full.
Do you have like the dimensions of the other ones? Like, can the other ones fit a king? Yeah. Because sometimes they be, you know, the rooms are the same size, but like.
And if you're interested in the 2-2, so 2-bedroom,
Is there like a?
There's a bunch of them.
Okay, that's why. Hey guys, we're at the last family outing of the Houston trip. So we're at main event to bowl, play games. I suck at pool, so I'm not even gonna try. And
Just be on my team.
you're good at pool? I'm actually hungry too.
They got food over there. Oh, they
Yeah. Oh, we could have just been hanging out, or like as a family.
You know, next time.
Yeah. You never been here? You need to go outside.
Oh, you know what? I think I can't. I don't. I do need to go outside.
Yeah, you need to do that. How do we like bowl? We do everything's on the computer? Come over here. Cyrus.
What am I doing?
I don't know. Cyrus, come over here. Cyrus.
Like, you've been here before, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so
What's up?
What are we doing?
We're booking a bowling. We can eat over there, right?
Yeah, they should give it the thing where somebody will come over if you want.
Okay, cool. Set it up. Type of something down to the dome. Nah, it's gonna be mad fun.
I'm a little rusty, so. Make sure you're keeping everything.
Not bad. But like actually it's actually pretty good. One, stay and watch what happens. One.
Yeah. You gotta watch. Yeah, you know that.
Two.
It's all in one motion. That's all. Just gotta do it like that. But we gotta find your weight. So we gotta do that.
Whose turn is it? No, it's not. Whose turn is it? It's my turn. Wait till you see. Hey, wait your turn. Okay? If you go up here.
While you wait, you walk up with somebody else.
You got zero.
You got a better ball. You got a better ball.
make it into the 100 though.
Did you go twice? Twice back to back. If you can hear me, I definitely lost the last two games. Well, the second game I came in third. This game I came in second. Cyrus like kicked up, but he's been bowling his whole life. So now we're gonna play some games, and then we'll get out of here by 9 o'clock because Bishop has school in the morning and people have work. So that's almost a wrap for Family Fun Day. And that is a wrap for my Houston trip. I had an amazing time, minus the one situation that I might be doing a story time on. Once it's situated, I will let y'all know if I'm doing the story time. We'll see how that goes. Gotta talk to my lawyer first. But nah, Houston was amazing. I spent so much time with my family. Like, my heart is super full. I get why y'all be linking with y'all family over the holidays. Like, it's literally pivotal when you work so much, work as much as I do, and it's just like, it's crazy. So I think I'm gonna come back out here in the spring, and then I'm definitely coming back out here next Thanksgiving. Like, I think it's gonna be our annual Thanksgiving trip. I'm about to catch this 4-hour, 3.5-hour flight back to Newark and take my ass back to work. People are hitting me up, calling me. They want these houses, they want these apartments. So I have to be able to help them. Actually, let me text Shaka. And Shaka, if you're watching this, I'm on your ass. So let me send her the eye emojis before I have no more service. But yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. And I will see you on the next trip, which will be AC in a couple weeks because I'm going to triple play. Bye.